Hi. Good morning. Today I want to share with you one of the things that I learned from this book. It says, we are all created equal with special gifts. And if we reach out to each other in sharing these gifts, we all become richer. Roy Henry Rickles. We are all created equal with special gifts. So first, we are all created equal. We are equal. No one is better than anyone. It's just that we have some special gift, talents, so to call. And don't keep that talents. We are supposed to share that talents and with the mindset that we are equal. And that will keep us humble. We are not better than anyone. And we are not weaker than anyone. We are all equal. We need to help each other. And when we realize that, we are all become richer. So, help someone, give something to someone, right? And we are asking without return, because just as you receive something from someone else today, and how did you get that? Because you are superior? No, not that. It's because that you are given, and if someone gives you something, you receive it. And how about if you can give something to others as well? And that is how you can make the world richer. And we all become richer. That's it. Thank you. This is a 2-minute sharing for this week. Bye bye. Have a nice day. And this is the book.